This is Scott and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna play Deep.io again. Yep. So, today we're gonna start being big. Yep. There we go. Uh-oh, they're coming. So we need to get out of all of those. Doing better. Uh-oh. Okay. We're almost okay. Twin. Uh-oh. Save up. To be the octo, I don't know, octo tank. Whoa. Okay, you're almost there. Almost being a tank.
Are you recording?
Whoa! So many tanks. Kill this. Yeah.
You want to kill the pink triangles?
Okay, there we go. Uh-oh. Okay, I think we can go up. Yes, come on. Oh. Cheater. Okay. Yes. on this side. Come on, you can do this. Oh. Is it me? This is not eating. Bad words everywhere. Wait, Bray. Brianna is beside me. Come on, get this. Yes! No! No, get away. Aha! Just got wrecked. Oh. There's a mine. Oh. Just wait. Uh-oh.
Run away.
Uh-oh.
Just run away. Oh,
You're dying.
yeah, we're dying.
Oh no.
You're going down to the leader. Oh no. Is it that team fight or blue versus red?
Team fight. I mean not team fight. FFA.
Huh?
FFA.
F-
Run, run.
Running, running. Oh no, doesn't tell you run. He knows to run. How did he know? Are you ready to go in the middle, Bakuya? Huh?
The leader is on the middle.
Leader's on the middle.
Leader.
The leader. Come on, the machine gun.
Okay.
Just turn around, Bakuya. Turn around.
No.
So you can be like,
We're gonna be the Octo Tank.
huh?
We're gonna be the Octo Tank. I mean not the Octo Tank, the Trife. That I don't know what is called. Oh yeah. Ha. So I know now what is the meaning of the bullet penetration. It makes your bullets last longer. And we are getting wrecked.
By somebody.
Run! Someone is also there. Where do I go? Move further. Be quiet. Yep, the plan is working. Okay, we're almost. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It has the necromancer.
What's the necromancer? What is the necromancer? Kuya? Kuya? What's the necromancer?
Just wait, Bri. Okay, you can do max health. Hey, there. Oh, the necromancer is there. Yes. Hey guys, we're almost the max level. Yes, I'm on 8th place.
Yes! Good, Kuya!
Get damage. We can do this.
Yeah, we cannot die. We can do this, right?
We can die, you know.
We should not die, right?
Yeah.
Because we lose everything.
If this dies, I'm just gonna beast mode. Ah! Hello, guys.
Take me out. So we can be like that guy up in the face.
Uh-oh. Getting wrecked. Why? No.
After that, Kuya,
What?
I will look this up. So I cannot see. If why did you be this as in FX, right? There should be FSXY. But do you want to go to the leader?
I'm already on I'm on the leaderboard.
Do you want to go to the... That's not the leaderboard, that's scoreboard.
Yeah, it's just the same.
The leader is there, pointing up. Want to go to the leader now?
No,
Why?
not yet ready. Go outside.
Mahulog ka dyan, Be. Mamaya tatayo si kuya mo dyan. Uy, anuhin mo, Cart. Tanggalin mo yung isang upuan para makaupo siya.
Go, Bri. Quick. Ano ba yan?
Dyan.
Here. Yes, yellow.
See, I'm already losing.
Number 8.
Even, I can still lose.
Why?
Triple twin.
No.
Yes!
No.
Pairam mo ng
This is strong.
Pairam mo ng upuan.
Wala na.
Pahiram mo na, papatong ako. Oh.
Oh.
Dali na.
Ano ba yan?
Thank Kuya. Sit down.
Uh-oh. Wait, we're already on the last level. Please no strong stuff on the middle. Someone.
Oh no, somebody's cheating.
Yes.
The big ones. Oh, I always want that. I went in the middle na kuya. I went in the middle. I was thinking that I cannot get attacked. Oh no.
Oh, we cannot lose.
Wait, what is your number?
Yes, this is the best that we've ever done, Bri.
Best thing. Oh,
Yes! You broke! Huh. We're on... Wait, are we on 5th? No, we are on 6th, I think. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Just die.
You're the 6th. Do it, kuya.
6. Uh-oh, it's lagging.
I hate lags.
Let's get away from the middle.
Oh my.
And because we are dying.
The triangle thingies. Right? What are those pink triangles called?
I don't know. You have reached the last level. How long can we last with this?
I want it to be the
Oh, so that was the leader. Kill the leader. He has been long here. He's dying. He can be first. Wow, wait. 5th. We're in 5th place.
This is great.
Yes.
Slow-mo.
Hey. You want some wrecked? We are almost first place. We're in 4th place.
Yeah, we're good.
We're doing great.
Yeah.
Come on, we can do this. I don't know where this will go. Don't kill me. Uh-oh, our bullet penetration is low. Can't kill me. I can kill you. If you like, get killed. Uh-oh, I think I'm gonna get loose. I'm gonna lose. Yeah, I killed the one who's attacking me. Regen some health. Good. We can do this. We're back on the middle. Are we back? Oh, there's so many.
Kuya, if the blue one is on top, I will let it loose. I see that it is him.
Who?
Quiz. If the blue one is on top, right? Right.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh no.
Okay, we're okay. Oh, lag.
Sorry.
So many bullets is equal to lag. So we are winning. Oh,
Fourth. We're fourth place.
leader, but they're not yet ready. Quick!
Get away from me.
OG is on the top. Daryl is second. Do not mess with him. There's the leader again. Wait, that was the leader? Nope.
It's slow-mo, kuya. Slow-mo.
Oh, there's the leader. We're gonna die. We're gonna die.
What kind?
We're gonna die.
Get away from the leader.
Uh-oh, we're gonna die.
No!
I hate this.
Game.
No.
You are doing so good,
Okay.
Like, we think you are doing so good.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna try to be the Octotank. Hey, Mysterio.
Hey, Mysterio. Kuya ka, 619.
That is all for this video. If you want to see more videos, leave a like. And I'll see you
In the next
later.
video.
Bye.
Bye.